Let's learn the SAP-2 architecture and understand its components one by one. Let's first start with the hexadecimal keyboard encoder. Hexadecimal keyboard encoder is just like a keyboard that takes input from the user and stores it in the input port for further CPU processing. For example, if you click 5 in the keyboard, it takes that in hexadecimal form, which is 0x05, and sends it to the input port. There are 2 input ports and 2 output ports in SAP-2 computer. Input port is just like a basket that holds the 8-bit instruction. On the other hand, output port displays the result stored in the accumulator. Out instruction is used for that purpose. Program counter is just like a pointer that points to the memory address, which is of 16-bit in SAP-2. After the completion of the phase cycle from that address, the PC gets incremented automatically to the next location. Memory address register is just like a rover that enters into a 64K memory, steals the data instruction that is being pointed by the program counter, and gives it to the memory data register. Memory data register transfers the data either to the instruction register or accumulator or B or C registers. If the content it is holding is instruction, then it is sent to the instruction register, and if it is data that is to be loaded, then it is sent to the respective general purpose register for storing. The instruction register, after getting the instruction, acts as messenger and sends the instruction to the controller or sequencer that generates the control signals and controls other components as per the instruction. Here, control means just turning on or off the component as per the requirement. Arithmetic logic unit is just like a calculator. All of the mathematical calculations occurs here. The data from the accumulator and the temp register goes to the ALU, then the required operation is performed and the result is stored back in the accumulator. Now the feature of the result that is stored in the accumulator is shown by the flags. There are 2 flags in the SAP-2 architecture, one is 0 and another is carry. If the result is 0, then the 0 flag shows 1, and if the result is if there is carry overflow, then the carry flag shows 1. Flag also helps in conditional jumps.